Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a car battery. And first I'm just going to draw this little kind of diamond-y shape kind of thing like that. Got that bit wrong, let me erase that. So this is just a little bit of a hint of a plan. And what I'm going to do is go up and across like that. And then I'm going to come down here and down to there, and then I'm going to go across to there. I'm going to come forward so it's parallel with that, and across, and then back like that. So we've got this kind of T shape on the top, and then I'm going to draw down this line and forward. I'm going to bring that down to there, and this will come around there, and then we can have a kind of a ridge or a rib all the way around like that. Now here we're going to want to have our terminals like that, and then we're going to have another one here which will go up around like that, and then that wants to go back to there and down. This will come forward, it might get hidden behind this terminal, and that will go across there, and that will go across at the back. And then we can put the kind of the depth of the body of this battery in there. So that's like a parallelogram there, and we want to bring that down and that across and up, and then again another kind of ridge rib all the way around like that. We're going to want to have a sticker on the front. I think we'll have something like that. Sort of, and then it'll say power like that. Electricity pouring out of the top. We can make theirs look a little bit more round like that. We can put a bit of shadow in there and a bit of shadow in there. We could put a bit of shadow just down there as well. These can have some shadow, and then we want some shadow on the bottom of the whole thing like that. And then quite often on a battery you have a kind of little U shape there, and then this is a little pop out, fold out handle that you can, so you can carry the thing home. And you've probably got some instructions on there, and there you go, how to draw a car battery. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.